generally defined as ejaculation that occurs sooner than desired. Premature ejaculation can have physical causes. More often than not, it is linked to psychological factors. Men may fear that they won't be able to satisfy their partner or that they will ejaculate too quickly before the point of ejaculation and waiting for the arousal level to subside. Good afternoon, viewers. Professor Dr. Raheel Kareem. I'm a fellow of the Royal College of Psychiatrists, practice both in England and in Pakistan. I'm going to be talking about sexual issues, and you are going to be seeing a series of videos on this. And I just feel that this is an issue that has been neglected by the medical faculty, and that it lies mostly with people who are non-medical, and therefore the education about sex and its problems has gone into the wrong hands. In particular, today मैं जो बात करना चाह रहा हूँ वो premature ejaculation के बारे में है, which is a very common sexual issue, and that can affect men of all ages. It is generally defined, a premature ejaculation क्या होती है? Let me expand on that. It is generally defined as ejaculation that occurs sooner than desired. बात ये बहुत relative किस्म की है, but often within a minute or less of penetration, and can be, जब ये जल्दी ejaculate कर जाते हैं लोग, so it is accompanied by distress or frustration. मैं ये आपको बताता चलूँ कि whilst premature ejaculation can have physical causes, but more often than not, it is linked to psychological factors. So let's explore the psychological factors and its causes, और इसके बाद in the second bit I will tell you about the treatment options in some detail. तो नफ्सियाती या psychological causes of premature ejaculation क्या हैं? Most importantly, जो मैं practice में देखता हूँ, it is all about performance anxiety. So it's anxiety about sexual performance, और ये सबसे common psychological factor है that contributes to premature ejaculation. आदमी or men may fear that they won't be able to satisfy their partner or that they will ejaculate too quickly. Now this then again creates a cycle of stress and tension that actually increases the likelihood of premature ejaculation. और ये performance anxiety as sexual activity is linked to erotic thoughts or thoughts of pleasure. So इसमें अगर ये thoughts divert हो जाएं तो आपके लिए not only just premature ejaculation is the outcome, but erectile dysfunction is also a major problem. So the pressure to perform well, the pressure to perform according to what your partner expects or what society and your friends have told you can trigger anxiety, which can then lead to premature release and consequently to distress after the performance. So people who ejaculate prematurely see themselves as less of a man. So the next common cause of premature ejaculation is the relationship issue. आप ये देखें कि sex is an encounter between two human beings. So there has to be a strong emotional or interpersonal connection within a relationship. So if that relationship is not that great, it can contribute to premature ejaculation. Sex के बारे में लोग बात नहीं करना चाहते. It's seen as a topic of taboo even in married couples. So lack of communication जो है ना in this particular area is also something that contributes to premature ejaculation. अब रिश्ते की quality is very important. Like if the couple has unresolved conflicts or dissatisfaction with intimacy, तो ये भी create करती है anxiety and distress, which can then affect sexual performance. So in these situations, viewers, premature ejaculation may be a manifestation of an underlying emotional issue or tension between partners. So what I'm just trying to say is that the quality of the relationship will affect the quality of the sexual activity, whether that is being able to have an erection or being able to discharge yourself in terms of the appropriate time that you feel that you should be holding on to. Very commonly in my practice do I see depression and stress as a major contributing issue other than performance anxiety on premature ejaculation. तो जो common conditions हैं, they are like depression or chronic stress, or it definitely affects sexual functioning in various ways. So आदमी तो आपको पता है ज़्यादा डिप्रेशन के बारे में बात नहीं करना पसंद करते, and they usually do not deal with it. But men dealing with depression may experience a reduced desire to have sexual activity in the first instance. They may have a reduced desire to approach others for sexual activity. Their concentration isn't that good, and they generally feel anxious, all of which can then contribute to premature ejaculation. Stress, obviously, in daily life is incredibly avoidable or not avoidable depending upon how you deal with stress and how you perceive stress and what strategies you work through to be able to deal with stress. So stress in daily life could be work related, financial or personal. तो ये चीज़ें जब इंसान के ज़हन में चल रही होती हैं, then you're not able to focus on the fact that you have to perform optimally during sex. So can also then create performance pressures or can lead to performance anxiety, जो कि worsen या exacerbate करती है sexual difficulties को. Commonly do I see issues relating to childhood trauma or negative sexual experiences when children or men are growing up. So past sexual trauma, I think, such as abuse or shame, or including sexual activity that children may have had inadvertently with others. बच्चे तो ज़ाहिर है, they are clean slate, so they don't know much about these things. Lots of people actually groom children for these kind of things, and they are left with scars for the rest of their life. So associated with sexuality, the experiences during childhood can leave really very long-lasting sexual scars. Negative early experiences with sex can lead to feelings of guilt, anxiety or fear when engaging in intimate activities as an adult. ये neglected area है, but this can be certainly explored in various parts of the treatment. मुझसे लोग अक्सर पूछते हैं कि जी excessive masturbation जो है वो ठीक है या नहीं है, and there is a lot of guilt around that. So masturbation is a kind of a conditioning activity. So men have conditioned themselves to ejaculate quickly through excessive masturbation. चूँकि masturbation सिर्फ अपने pleasure के लिए करते हैं लोग, so they want to achieve a climax very soon, and they basically have learned to rush through sexual encounters in order to reach climax faster, which can then be reinforced as a habit pattern in their sexual life. It's obviously hormone driven, and sexual repression in our society also then tends to lead a mark on how people can perform sexually appropriately in their real lives when they are married or when they are in relationships. हमारे माशरे में तो देखें, there are very unrealistic expectations. Lots of couples or individuals that I see in my practice have been told by their friends as to how long they should last in sex, and वो अक्सर बहुत गलत बातें उनको बताई जाती हैं, अनरियलिस्टिक बातें बताई जाती हैं. सो वो अपने सेक्सुअल एक्टिविटी को उन बातों के अगेंस्ट मेजर करते हैं. क्लियरली मीडिया प्लेज अ मेजर पोर्ट्रेयल ऑफ सेक्स. सोसाइटी के जो प्रेशर्स हैं कैन क्रिएट अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशंस रिगार्डिंग सेक्सुअल परफॉर्मेंस. और जब आदमी को ये लगता है कि ही इज़ नॉट लिविंग अप टू दीज एग्जैजरेटेड स्टैंडर्ड्स सेट बाय द मीडिया, बाय देयर फ्रेंड्स, बाय द सोसाइटी, they usually tend to develop anxiety-driven response and performance anxiety that can eventually lead to premature ejaculation. Another cause is fear of sexual intimacy. Not everybody is designed to perform sexual acts in the context of an intimate relationship. Some men may experience deep-seated fears related to closeness. वो कुर्बत से घबराते हैं. They don't like intimacy because they have not learned to be intimate, or they have not learned to love themselves or others during their childhood. तो ये past experiences या fears के साथ linked है. And lots of people feel very vulnerable in intimate relationships because they feel that they may not be valued. They probably have not been validated appropriately in their younger years or in their previous past experiences with other people. So these fears or ये जो खौफ हैं that have emanated from their past can interfere with natural course of sexual interaction, leading to an anxious or a rushed ejaculation. They just want to get over things as quickly as they can. So these are some of the psychological causes of premature ejaculation, but please make sure that there are also physical causes of premature ejaculation which need to be addressed. I have deliberately not touched upon them because this is beyond the scope of this particular video. Our next part of the video is going to be about treatment for premature ejaculation. तो जो नाजरीन psychological interventions हैं, they are usually very, very effective in addressing premature ejaculation. Particularly, हमने ये करना है कि we have to establish the root cause of premature ejaculation if the cause is not physical. So the psychological treatments जो हैं, they usually involve therapy or behavioral techniques, and sometimes in combination with pharmacological stuff like medication. मैं आपको बताता चलूँगा later on how you can help yourself through that. तो cognitive behavioral therapy यानी कि अपने ख्यालों को appropriately रखना, अपने failures को magnify ना करना in sex before, in your past experiences, staying in the moment, concentrating on the act of sexual activity are by far the most best ways to work through and identify and challenge negative thought patterns and behaviors relating to sex. आपको मैं एक example दूँ, if performance anxiety is contributing to premature ejaculation, a doctor can help the individual reframe those thoughts and adopt a healthier, less anxious mindset. So it's all about mind. It's all about the ability to keep yourself in the present. Loads of people have then concentrated on the next step of the treatment is known as sex therapy. So sex therapy जो है, इस पे बहुत काम हुआ है, including there are people who are very well known like Masters and Johnsons. तो ये जो therapist है, चूँकि sex is an encounter between two people, so we usually tend to involve the couple. When I kind of provide treatment, so I have a male therapist, which is myself, and then I can involve a female therapist. So they can individually deal initially with, the woman can deal with the woman and the man can deal with the man in terms of ताकि उसमें कोई झिझक या expression में कोई चीज़ रह ना जाए. So important है कि हम address करें relationship की dynamics क्या हैं और वो उस रिश्ते में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, if at all, या इंडिविजुअल में प्रॉब्लम है या दोनों में प्रॉब्लम है. So a sex therapist helps couple work through issues relating to communication, issues relating to emotional intimacy and sexual satisfaction, and what one person expects from the other. तो ये basically they are exercises designed to desensitize the anxiety around sex and increase the focus is more around building sexual confidence. So mindfulness and relaxation techniques are very essential to be able to deal with stress and then to be able to deal with the mindset that can actually affect the sexual functioning. So mindfulness-based interventions are extremely helpful. और ये basically anxiety को कम करते हैं. the anxiety that underlies premature ejaculation. So you can practice techniques like deep breathing, अपना 4 सेकंड सांस को अंदर लेके जाएं, रोकें और 4 सेकंड के बाद उसको रिलीज करें. Progressive muscular relaxation, guided medication, sauna, a hot bath, perhaps can all reduce overall anxiety and help individuals remain more present during sex. तो ख्याल इधर उधर जब चले जाते हैं सेक्स के दौरान तो फोकस कम होता है, then obviously the people are not able to perform optimally. तो हमने ये सिखाना है कि you have to focus on the pleasure of the experience. This is by far the most important statement rather than on the performance or the fear of premature ejaculation. कुछ और टेक्निक्स हैं जो कि फिजिकल टेक्निक्स हैं, इनको हम स्क्वीज टेक्निक कहते हैं, ये बिहेवियरल टेक्निक है. They are recommended by therapists to help men learn to control ejaculation. So the technique really involves the man or his partner applying pressure to the base of the penis, just below the head. And the timing has to be right when the man feels he is nearing ejaculation. So this can help delay the orgasm and improve sexual control and premature ejaculation over time. So this is a technique you have to practice over a length of time, and you have to take your partner into confidence as regards to, and perhaps training of the partner is also important to help break the cycle of premature ejaculation. Another important technique is the stop start technique, यानी कि आप जब सेक्स शुरू करते हैं and when you're about to ejaculate, you stop and withdraw. So this method involves stopping sexual activity before the point of ejaculation and waiting for the arousal level to subside, and then starting again with the sexual activity. So this idea is to help the man develop greater control over his response during sex and gradually extend the time before ejaculation occurs. With time, many men find that they can increase their control over ejaculation and lengthen the duration of sexual activity. I've already mentioned couple counseling because it's a problem between two people. This can be really beneficial in addressing both the emotional and physical aspects of the issue. In sessions में feelings, fears, expectations, improving understanding of each other and enhancing emotional intimacy can be addressed. अब दवाओं के बारे में मैं आपको बताता चलूँ कि while psychological treatment is the key, बट हाँ हमारे यहाँ पाकिस्तान में ज़्यादा फोकस साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स पे नहीं होता एंड पीपल आर काइंड ऑफ लुकिंग फॉर क्विक फिक्सेस एंड मेडिकेशन समटाइम्स कैन रियली हेल्प देम. तो एक ग्रुप ऑफ ड्रग्स है विच आर एंटी डिप्रेसेंट्स नोन एज द सेलेक्टिव सेरोटोनिन रीअपटेक इनहिबिटर्स. इसमें व्हाट आई हैव फाउंड बेनिफिशियल ऑफ व्हाट माय पेशेंट्स टेल मी दैट दीज एज अ साइड इफेक्ट ऑफ एंटी डिप्रेसेंट्स कैन डिले इजैक्यूलेशन. तो एक दवा है जिसको सर्ट्रलिन कहते हैं, दैट्स अबाउट 25 मिलीग्राम्स. अगर आप सेक्सुअल एक्टिविटी से पहले ले लें तो यू कैन डिले द सेक्सुअल इजैक्यूलेशन. और भी चीज़ें हैं लाइक टॉपिकल क्रीम्स जिसमें बेसिकली एनेस्थेटिक क्रीम्स हैं जिसमें लाइडोकेन है या प्रिलोकेन है. सो दे बेसिकली numb the tip of the penis. So these are available in creams or sprays and they can also reduce. But see, काम ऐसे करते हैं कि sensation को reduce करती हैं. Whilst they may be not as pleasurable as just not using them, but they can certainly help to delay ejaculation during intercourse and improve. More often than not, people do not focus on their physical health. तो जो pelvic floor exercises हैं to strengthen the pelvic floor के muscles हैं जो हमारे hip के इर्द-गिर्द हैं, इनको हम Kegels की exercises कहते हैं. So these sometimes help improve ejaculatory control. तो ये तमाम तर वही मसल होते हैं जो कि पेशाब या यूरिन के डिस्चार्ज करने में involved होते हैं. So if you're able to contract and relax the muscles that are used to stop urination, this can really help overall sexual function and control. Important ये है कि आपने अपनी general physical health के बारे में भी ख्याल रखना है. So amongst the Kegel exercises, that could be an added point to your daily workout to improve your physical health. So next video is to about what are really the key points to take home or to remember सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है कि प्रीमेच्योर इजैकुलेशन इज मोर ऑफ्टन अबाउट द माइंड देन द बॉडी। ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट मैसेज है। दिमाग आपका माइक्रोचिप है, आपका कंप्यूटर है, इसने तमाम तर सिग्नल्स भेजने हैं आपके पीनस को, आपके हार्ट को, आपके लंग्स को, आपके स्टमक को, आपकी आंतड़ियों को। सो इसकी जो माइंड ओवर मैटर जिसे कहते हैं ना, ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट एक इडियम है, इसको इग्नोर मत करें। तो जब इंसान स्ट्रेस्ड होता है या एंक्शस होता है, सेक्सुअल परफॉर्मेंस तो वैसे ही ख़त्म हो जाती। सो यू हैव टू एड्रेस योर एंग्जाइटी, स्ट्रेस, एंड certainly a close look you need to have between the relationship dynamics, which major in my opinion are the factors that contribute to premature ejaculation. So sex therapy is also important to address the underlying mental and emotional issues. अगर आपको डिप्रेशन है या एंग्जाइटी है जो कि ठीक नहीं हो रही और 4 हफ्ते से ज़्यादा है, and if there is reduced desire to have sex or reduced desire or interest, then you must seek professional help, and certainly antidepressants are there and other modalities are there to help to treat you. अब तो हमारे पास बहुत सारी ऐसी दवाइयाँ आ गई हैं नहीं जो कि आदमी की सेक्शुअल फंक्शनिंग को इम्पेयर नहीं करती whilst improving their mood. तो relaxation techniques, mindful activities, but physical exercise I would certainly recommend. And key is to stop worrying about ejaculation. So आपकी ejaculation is more in terms of what your partner is expecting. अगर आपका communication अच्छा है तो ये आपको कोई आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आपकी चीज़ें बेहतर हो जाएंगी in terms of achieving greater satisfaction for the couple. तो कई केसेस में हम सारी चीज़ें इकट्ठी भी करते हैं, साइकोलॉजिकल ट्रीटमेंट भी है, मेडिकेशन भी है, बिहेवियरल टेक्निक्स भी है, और ये जनरली अगर आप ये सब चीज़ें करें, सो यू कैन हैव अ वेरी प्रोडक्टिव, सैटिस्फाइंग एंड वेरी प्लेजरेबल सेक्शुअल एक्सपीरियंस. Sex is a gift from God, you know. It has been given to us for the purposes of procreation, and for procreation to happen, it has to be a pleasurable activity. So I hope you found this useful. If you have found this useful, please share this. Don't feel shy about talking about sex. Don't feel shy about communicating with your partner. Don't feel shy about, reading about these things. Spread the message. Thank you very much. And if you have liked the video, please do subscribe to our portal, as this helps to improve the quality of our videos and to be able to spread the message to where it needs to go. Thank you very much, and I shall see you soon. Allah ke hawale, and stay safe till then.